Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all a wash and go that I did on my natural hair. Today, I am going to be trying out my little 3-row comb to see if my curls will look any differently. And I am actually getting ready to get my hair braided in a few days, so I really only need this wash and go to just give me like 4 good days, and trust me, it did. So I like to start off by drenching my hair in water. I'm starting off with the Nairobi foam, and then I'm going to use my Tropical Oasis gel by Meech Beauty on top, but I'm showing you all how it looks when I start off with the mousse, and then in all of the other sections I'm actually going to start off with the gel first, because I feel like the gel just like locks everything into place like chef's kiss, and the definition is just amazing. But for this back section, I just wanted to see how things would work if I started off with the mousse. But I'm telling you now, starting off with the gel is better, and then using the mousse as a topper. I like to make sure that my hair is fully drenched, and I do go in and detangle. We are using gel, so make sure that you are thoroughly detangling your hair before applying any gel to hold your hair into place. I like to say that I am a professional smoother. I will separate a few pieces here and there when I'm doing my wash and go, but shingling will have you sitting here for hours. So make sure you just smooth and rake the product through the hair, and your curls will begin to pop. This is like hands down one of my favorite gels. Even if we go back to a decade ago when we were all using Eco Styler gel, Eco Styler could never, okay? This is just that gel that is like that. It is a little pricey, okay? But it is worth it. And I will say that whenever it comes to the Meech products, their products go a long way. So you may spend a little bit of extra money on the product, but you will get several uses out of it. Using the mousse as a topper just really seals the deal and seals everything into place, while also just adding a little bit of shine. Now moving on to the front of my hair. The front of my hair, the curls up here have been manipulated a lot more than the curls at the back of my head, so sometimes I have to do just a little extra to get them to match the curls in the back, but I'm not stressing it at all. I'm literally going with the flow, and however my natural curls want to come out, that is what we roll with. As you all can see here, I'm not afraid to split some of those sections up just to make sure that every single curl has product applied to it and is set into place. Here's what my hair is looking like when one side is complete. It is looking very nice, moisturized, and defined, and I know that I am going to make it until I get these braids. And here's what my hair is looking like once I have defined every single curl on my head. I am that person that likes to dry my hair, okay? I am not that person that lets my hair air dry overnight. No, that is like so 10 years ago. So I like to make sure my curls set by drying them. The hooded dryer that I have is a professional dryer, and it does like pack a punch. And the last time I set up under it when I had a wash and go, my hair was looking kind of crazy because it was blowing my hair everywhere. So I decided to just use my handheld blow dryer to blow dry my roots as well as the length of my hair, going in the direction that I want it to go. Try not to do anything too crazy because I want my hair to still lay in the position that it is laying in. And here's what my hair is looking like when it is about 95% dry. I am putting my bonnet on top because I still have to get ready for today. And what my bonnet is going to do is to make sure that my hair is framed to my head. So here we are getting ready to shake these curls out. And this is technically still first day here for me, okay? So I just do gentle lifting. I'm actually not even trying to break the cast on the curls yet, okay? I know sometimes we like our wash and goes to be soft, but sometimes you need that cast to make sure that the curls last for a few days, okay? So try not to break the cast, but making sure that everything is nice and lifted. And here is the final look. Day one hair for wash and goes is usually always my favorite. I just don't know what can top it unless it gets like super big by the end of the week. But I am loving it. And now for my nighttime routine. I know a lot of you have told me that the ponytails just don't work. Here is also a little trick that I like to do if I'm scared to do ponytails. I just wrap a scarf around my hair and kind of do like a low pineapple in the back, okay? I didn't put my hair in a ponytail, but I'm wrapping my scarf around that's kind of creating a ponytail at the back of my head. And then I will literally put a bonnet on top and wake up the next morning and shake it all out again. As you all can see here, the hair will be like kind of matted to your head, but you just have to lift the hair up gently. The cast is probably still there. If you want to break the cast by now, you can by using a little bit of oil. But for me, I'm not going to break it yet because again, I'm trying to make sure this wash and go lasts until I get braids. After shaking my hair out, this is what my hair is looking like on day 2. I possibly could have stretched your hair a little bit because it is more shrunken, but again, my goal was just to make it to braid day. Right here, I am just massaging just a little bit of water into the perimeter of my hair because I have decided to just put on a headband today. This day was actually a little warm here in North Carolina and I just wanted my hair out of my face. So I'm using the same mousse, the Nairobi foam, just to smooth my edges and to give myself just a few baby hairs with this headband. And you all know that headbands for me are just like ultimate cheat code when it comes to getting hair out of my face and also not putting too much tension on my edges as well. So after removing my scarf, here's what my hair is looking like, I believe, on day 3. And I'm not mad at it because technically we only have one more day to go until we can get those braids. And you probably guessed it already, but on this last day, which is day 4 before I get my braids, I am actually spritzing a lot of water around the perimeter of my hair because I am going for a high puff on this last day before I wash my hair this evening. I am going to use some mousse to help lay down any of those frizzes, but to also moisturize the perimeter of my head before putting a hair tie up there. Those hair ties can cause tension, so you want to make sure that your hair is not snagging. And you definitely want to make sure that it is moisturized because that can help minimize breakage as well. As always, I really hope you all enjoyed these videos and seeing how my hair progressed throughout the week. I'm going to try to do that more often so that you all can see how some of these hairstyles age. But here's what my hair is looking like and I can't be mad at it. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!